Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Atif Hamid and my group members are Fatma and Rubab Zara. Today our topic of presentation is OWASP ZAP, a web security tool. Web security. So what is web security? Web security refers to the protective measure and protocol adopted by an organization. It is a homogeneous mixture of modern machinery and software techniques. Web applications deal with huge amount of secured and high impact data. As a result, security play a major role in web application development. Recent trends in web security. Web security will be continuous concern in coming years. To prepare for certain threats, below are some trends organizations should be aware of. Remote working web security trends. Many workplaces have adopted the new way of work from home, which cause issues because of absence of more secure firewalls and routers, etc. Web security trend is to identify and mitigate possible vulnerabilities in this new way of work by monitoring and implementing security controls. Second is Internet of Things and 5G networks. The new era of 5G and its interconnectivity with IoT devices presents with many unknown vulnerabilities and threats. To avoid data breaches or any loopholes, IT professionals need to be very cautious. And third one is attack on cloud services. With centralized way, attacker targets cloud services and take advantage of weak configurations. Misconfigurations can lead to data breaches, unauthorized access, and many other concerns related to web security. So, OWASP ZAP. OWASP ZAP is a penetration testing tool. So, now what is penetration testing? Penetration testing is a security testing techniques to find vulnerabilities and loopholes in web applications. ZAP is a web security tool. So why we use ZAP? ZAP is a Z attack proxy. Basic and advanced feature of ZAP include active and passive scan, manipulator in the middle proxy, spider, modes, marketplace, report generation. Strengths of OWASP ZAP are free, open source, hence extensible, comprehensive, integrated tool for scanning web application, cross-platform, flexible enough to be used by beginners as well as expert testers and security analysts, high rate of precision and detection coverage. For cross-site scripting, SQL injections, command injections, vulnerabilities. High recall and true positive rate. Weaknesses of ZAP include lack of paid support, may in some cases fail to detect and otherwise conspicuous security threats such as session ID being passed as URL taken or failing to generate an error when cross-site scripting protection in the web browser is disabled. False positive rate of ZAP is higher than that of commercial waves. The reports generated are usually very lengthy and verbose. The unavailability of sufficient deployment use cases in the documentation make it somehow complex. Now we will discuss some use cases. First use case is active scan through unauthorized form. Unauthenticated active scan does not require credential to scan the web application, provides some vulnerable valuable insight to a security professional pen tester trying to gauge risk from the outside, give a very incomplete picture of vulnerability exposure. Second, these are some results of use case 1. Now use case 2, active scan through through authenticated form. Authenticated active scan require credential to scan the web application, uncover many vulnerabilities that traditional like unauthenticated scan might overlook, give a very detailed picture of vulnerability exposure. These are some results of use case 2. Now use case 3. Detecting active surface. Active surface detector tool uncovered the endpoints of a web application, the parameters these endpoints accept, and the data type of these parameters. These are results of use case 3. Use case 4. Generating sitemap. To generate sitemap, Ajax Spider provided by ZAP can be used. So these are result of use case 3, generating sitemap. Thank you.